Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can make your Temu order come faster, so let's get right into it. Now, as you'll see currently in my shopping cart, I have these two items, and I'm going to go ahead and add another thing. So, for example, I'll add this one. These are actually drill bits, so no, I'm going to search for an electronical device, for example, these earbuds. So I'll just add them and then I'll proceed to checkout. Now, in checkout is where you'll need to select which type of shipping you would like, and depending on the type that you select, that will be how long your order will take. Now, as you can see, for standard delivery, it's 3 to 8 business days. For pickup, it's 4 to 8 business days, and for Express, as you'll see, it's grayed out. The reason is because I added these earbuds, and that's exactly what I wanted to show you guys. Electronics and other things such as pastes, knives, liquids, etc. are restricted from Express shipping, so we'll just go ahead, return to our cart, and remove these earbuds, and then we'll proceed to checkout once more. And now, as you'll see, once I go into checkout, I will have the option for express delivery, which is 3 to 7 business days, which is 1 day faster than the standard. Now, in my case, both of them are free. I'm not sure why. However, express should usually cost more for your deliveries, or should cost something. I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure why it's free in this scenario. However, it is what it is. And you can also select pickup, which is again 4 to 8 business days. And these two are slower, and express is 1 day faster. And that's pretty much the only thing that you can do to make your order arrive faster. Just select express delivery, order, and pay for your order. And once it's shipped to you, it should arrive within 3 to 7 business days because it is selected as express shipping. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.